going to show you how to install a plugin using an FTP client. I'm using Filezilla. There are others available. You just have to search the internet for them. Now, I have my website open, and I'm going to, let's say I want to install WooCommerce. So I type in WooCommerce plugin, search for it. Now I'm going to download it. Now don't download up here, you'll be downloading WordPress in itself. You want to download WooCommerce. And down here I have WooCommerce. I'm going to show it in a folder. I downloaded 2 of them, but that's okay. And I'm going to take WooCommerce and I'm going to put it into a folder, an empty folder that I've created. So let's just take one of them and bring it over, and there it is. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my website, and I want to install the WooCommerce into my website. So I'm going to go to plugins, and we're going to go to add new. Once we go to add new, we're going to say upload plugin. Now this is the way you normally do it, is right from the website. I'm going to choose the file, and I'm going to go to WooCommerce, and here it is. It's a zip file. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to say install. Uh-oh, here's the problem. The upload file exceeds the upload max file size directive in the PHP INI. Okay, so we got a problem. So what do? We're going to use Filezilla in order to put this in, which is an FTP client. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Filezilla and I'm going to sign in. After I sign in, I'm going to go to public HTML, go to my website, which is Make It So Club. Once I go there, I'm going to go to WP Content and open that. And this is the plugin folder here. I'm going to open that up, and this shows the plugins that are already in the site. Now, in order to put WooCommerce in, usually what you do is you go to your folder for WooCommerce, and you can drag it over to your FTP client and put it in, but it won't work. So what do? Because what happens is that when you put it in as a zip file, it's not going to work for you. So I'm going to delete that. And you have to put it in as an unzipped file itself. Now what you have to do once you have it in a folder is to double click it and open it up and take this WooCommerce that's opened and copy it, and let's go back and let's paste it again into the same folder. It's going to take a little bit of time because it's a large file, but we want to get it to a point where it's unzipped, because if you try to put it in as a zip file, in Filezilla in the FTP client, you're going to have a problem. It's not going to work. So it must be installed in its natural state. Okay, we're getting to the end here, which is good, and bingo, we're done. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Filezilla, and I already have it opened up in Filezilla as a single unit. I'm going to take it, and you can either drag it over like so, and I like to put it on the bar so I don't put it into something else. But the easiest way is just to right click it and say upload, and now it's going to upload into Filezilla. You see it up here uploading. I'm going to pause the video because it's going to take a little bit of time. Okay, I'm back. It has been installed, and if you take a look, you will see WooCommerce right here has been installed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my website, and we're going to go to plugins. Let me double click that. Let's look for install plugins. Let's look for WooCommerce. Here it is. Now you've got to activate it, because if you don't activate it, it's not going to work. So you hit your activate button, and it just takes a few seconds, and it's activated. Now, if you wanted to put a program in and you want to delete it, because maybe you put a plugin in and it's not what you exactly want, all you have to do is to go to deactivate. Once it's deactivated, you can then go to delete. It says, do you want to delete it? You say yes, and it's gone. It's been deleted, as you can see here. I hope this video has been a help to you. Thank you very much for watching.